content mo, puro murahan.
I-mute mo na lang. I-mute mo lang, yun lang.
Puro words of affirmation.
Parang akong tatay talaga. Yung mga anak, good luck na.
Sunod yan, papel eh.
Papel na.
Gano'n,
Ganun na.
huwag ka magsasabi na, no? Ay, di masyadong matalino.
Ganon.
Bawasan yung amura nyo, i-edit ko to. Puro na lang po.
Ganito pang story, idol.
Content mo, puro murahan.
I-mute mo na lang. I-mute mo lang, yun lang.
Puro words of affirmation.
I-mute mo lang.
Nagagambit ako pizza to.
Teka.
Parang akong tatay talaga. Yung mga anak, good luck na.
Hindi mo gawin matanda. Grabe naman yun.
Kaya may iiyak yung anak mo, natalo. May iiyak pa yan eh.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang laro yan.
Pagdali lang yan. Ikaw naman eh.
Pero yung bata umiiyak kasi pinapagalitan ng tatay. Hindi mo kasi tinira yan.
Oh, yun kasi.
Hindi ka nag-iisip, may oras ka eh. Isisip mo yun.
Egg news. Join you, Francesca.
Ano mo lang. Professional yung lapid naman. Itong dalawa mukhang tambay eh.
Lang eh.
Nandun ang ayos eh.
Mukhang nagpupustahan, bete-bete lang.
Ang simple ng laro eh.
Ang malaki na kaya eh.
Bigat eh.
Will Denix ka din.
Yun nga eh. Parang ako yung Delix dito, no?
Okay na kami.
Peter.
Ano isip?
Inisip mo.
Andy Manipis.
Hindi man.
Sabi na, warming ka ha?
Warning
2
ka na.
minutes sa kalaban. Okay.
Okay. Ate Jelala.
Hindi
Grabe,
ako
long castle.
Long Castle, C5.
Ulit ah.
Oo, boring.
Ganyan din kami ng umpisa eh. Adik-adik lang. Uy,
Sunod yan, papel eh.
papel na.
Gano'n,
Ganun na. Idol.
huwag ka magsasabi na.
Kasi matalino, ganun.
Ay, Porky.
Oo, negative.
Porky,
Let's
pre,
spread
Porky.
positivity.
Positivity.
Inclusivity. Yan.
Empathy.
Yan.
Memorize ang ano ah.
Parang konti lang yung kagalingan mo ngayon ah.
Yan, kaunti lamang ang iyong yan.
Saka huwag kayong magre-react kapag
Pagka-blood.
Legit yan.
Ganun lang.
Ay, sorry.
Kasi,
Malay mo, di
Hindi ako
makita.
sumigaw eh.
kasi makikita ng kalaban eh. Maam lang.
Sanay na ako sumigaw pag online. Parang pag nag-blunder, assist na lang. Take back.
Take back, take back.
Paano ngayon yan, sir?
Ano yun, sir?
Spam take back, pre.
Ano gagawin
Pag
ako?
hindi pina-take back, tapos bigla lang ano dito.
Pag di...
Kung
Ay,
kahit
hindi, okay lang. Okay lang.
pero hindi okay.
Ay, nag-guilty. E di binalik.
Guilty na
Oh.
Nadurog tuloy.
guilty.
Never say never. Pare, never say never.
never say never, no? Never say never, never say never.
Never say never.
Stonewall.
Ang close oh. Yan, so close.
Stonewall.
Oh, ano, yun lang. Matinding
May harang
isipan.
pa, may harang pa. Yan, ganyan.
Close position ba to?
I-edit ko to. Puro na lang put.
Puro ganun yung
Narinig ko na sa head.
Oh, every 5 seconds. Tut.
Stonewall yan ang putong bulate. Isaw pre oh. Yan tama. Saka sa puti.
Isa mo. Palit mo na. Lapit.
Yan. Ayan. Ganda pa ko. Maganda talaga ito.
Kailangan talaga ito eh.
Gulo-guloy mo lang eh. Gulo-guloy yung position eh.
Never try.
Dahil sa isa.
Di ba pwede lang ganun? Pwede lang. Pwede. Pwede.
Ayun, tut ulit.
We're gonna give
Wala
it.
pa rin basag doon sa kabila. Laban talaga to dalawang team.
Tigas talaga to pa. Ay!
Ito yung board 1 nila.
Pare, oo nga pala pare. Galaw ko nga to pare, tapos bigla lang may night G pa pare. Ganito.
Oh my God.
Tamis! I like where this is going.
I do not. I like this more.
Bukas yun. O yun.
Tunat-tunat lang.
Black lang.
Blunder. Ay, blunder. Baby lang. Ayusin mo capture mo. Tamang capture lang. Ay, tama. Ay, napili. Ikaw pare.
Ay, God. Pare.
Papasayo pa, huwag mo tuloy yan.
Okay. Kung ako
Ay,
sa'yo.
natutuloy yan.
Dito ba yun?
Yes pare.
Time pre.
13 seconds ka na lang oh.
Hmm?
Uy!
Ano lang?
Uy! Uy! Oh! Miss!
We never say never. Ayo.
Uy!
Uy, 2 seconds.
Uy.
Uy!
Madaliin mo, bro.
Okay, Black.
Madaliin mo.
Sige, sacrifice ka. Sige. Sige, sige.
Sige, tama lang. Tama lang. Huwag ka matakot.
Ay, hindi. Ba't ako nag-sacrifice? Pwede ako mag-take to pinties na lang eh.
Oh, check. Uy!
Illegal move. Ano ba?
Huwag hindi ka ulit.
Natalo ko.
Trash talk yun, trash talk. Medyo bastos, medyo.
Medyo pare.
Wow.
So, welcome everyone to our post-game analysis where we will highlight the key moves that decides the game. So, it was a fair and even game at the start where white controls the center first but black plays solitude. In this position, black just captures the knight on f3. What happens in the game is that bishop captures the knight on f3 which gives a good d4 square for the knight. So here I would like to highlight that white can actually opt to capture the knight on the c6 first before capturing the bishop. Now, on our next key move, just a big blunder by white with g4, totally giving his bishop for free, which black sees. And after all these exchanges, if we count all materials, we could see that black is up a minor piece and 2 pawns, which is objectively winning. On the other hand, the only compensation I can see is that white has the G and H file open to generate some counterplays. Now for the next highlight move I would like to see is when black tries to push his pawn on the f5 square. Now this is still winning for black, however I see this as a not good move because when you push the f pawn, you actually leave this g pawn as a liability for black, which is what happens in the game since white tries to target the lone g pawn. Now, here black moves his rook to f6 trying to guard this pawn. However, it is better if you actually push the pawn to f4 first so you have a tempo attack on the queen before moving your rook to f6. But since that did not happen in the game, white has the option to actually push his pawn to f4 first. Then a few moves after, we have this position and black plays bishop to h6. Now the idea of h6 here is that when white captures this pawn, there's actually a trick where white captures the knight for free, and if the bishop is not here, you can actually recapture because you are pinned. So this bishop move is just to avoid the pin. However, I would like to point out that instead of actually bishop to h6, you can actually play queen to d7. And if white captures this pawn of f5, you can actually just capture it with the queen. Okay, but what happens in the game is bishop to h6. And after these captures, we have here in this position. Now here, white moves his rook to h1 to actually keep the tactic of capturing the knight, which is rook. And here, black moves his king to g7, which I think is a bad move. Why? Because the tactics is still there. White can still recapture the knight, which is what happened actually in the game. But here, I would like to point out that black can easily just defend by capturing the pawn, and now the knight is guarded. However, since that does not happen in the game, we have king to g7, and the tactics is done. Now here, black made a big blunder by capturing the pawn on f4 with his rook. Now, the role of this rook is to actually guard this h5 square. If he wants to capture the f4 pawn, you can easily capture it with the e pawn. But since that does not happen, which is a big blunder, white sees the opportunity of sacrificing his another rook, removing the guard on the h5 square. Now here, black can actually just capture the rook. If he does not, I think there should be a mating net that would follow. And since what happens in the game is he captured the rook, and the rest is actually history. That's all for the highlights of these moves in this game. Thank you.